Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mariola. I have a little bit of a different backdrop because I'm currently on vacation with my family at Disney World. So we are currently staying at the Beach Club Villas. I will be uploading a couple of videos of how the different rooms here look because they're awesome and totally different. But I actually got a package that I'm super excited to open, and I did not want to wait until I got back home to Puerto Rico to show you guys because I actually want to use these on my trip. So for today's video, I'm actually collaborating with Amelie Home. They sent me a couple of their products to try out, and I'm super excited because if you know me and if you don't know me already, I'm obsessed with everything French. I studied French back in high school and in college. That was my major, and I still love going to Paris, and I actually did 2 summer abroads over in Paris and worked at the Cannes Film Festival. So I'm obsessed with everything Parisian, everything French, and that is actually their brand. So Amelie Home, what they're looking to do is unveil a French secret of elegance and design by creating their own home decor, loungewear, and accessories to reflect the most mysterious and romantic feeling of being in love, which just sounds adorable. We were actually trying to buy a house this year, but unfortunately, I don't know if you guys knew, but everything like the house market just skyrocketed and got insanely expensive. So we're gonna be staying in an apartment, and we are trying to spruce it up a little bit with what we already have and add a couple of new touches. So Amelie Home is committed to providing a high level of quality and design in a responsible and sustainable way. We constantly improve our production process and develop new creative ideas, and they take inspiration from the French concept of love and passion for creating our products in the most stylish and elegant French design. So actually they call it French chic design, which I really love. So I'm going to open this up with you guys and then show you how I'm going to be incorporating it into our stay at Disney World and then also at our home. So I'm super excited. Okay, I'm going to be unboxing this live with you guys. So I'm really sorry for the noise. I'm also sorry for the lighting because, as I said, not my usual setup, but I'm still super excited to open it. And here we go. This is super cute. We got this brown. I'm going to show you guys the actual product and the name. But what I love is that it's reversible. And in Puerto Rico, it actually gets kind of cold. You wouldn't think it does, but we live in the mountain, and during the nighttime, it gets to about 70 degrees, which is cold for me. So I love lounging in our living room, and I always need to cover up with... It looks so cute. I'm not trying to sound too cliche or whatever, but I definitely get the French theme just with the bow. I think it is adorable. Also wanted to give you guys a different view. So here it is. Kind of see it with maybe better lighting. Like I said, it comes with this cute little bow. And I want to show you how thick it is. Like, look at this. Oh, I love it. Let's untie it. Probably shouldn't be standing up for this to show you guys the real deal, but here it is. It's humongous. I have to check, but I'm pretty sure it's 50 inches times 60 inches. So we got it in the brown. They have various colors. So they have green sage, brown, cream. We got the brown one, which I'm excited. It's gonna look really cute in the living room. Not as pretty as my other angle, obviously, but here it is. I was trying to show you guys how it is very big, but not too big either, and it's reversible, so it has this. It is so soft. Literally feels like my parents have a Pomsky, and oh my gosh, it's so soft. I literally feel like I'm just snuggling a dog. Oh, so I'm super excited to wear it. I definitely want to wrap myself up like a burrito. Today was an intense day at the parks, and this is exactly what I needed. I wish I had like a cup of tea or hot chocolate because it was such an insane day with the heat, and being back in the AC is so nice, but I'm already freezing. So this is coming in super clutch. I literally feel like I'm being hugged. Like what I feel like an anxiety blanket would feel like. That's what I'm feeling right now. I feel like I'm being hugged by a little polar bear, and I could definitely ooze into relaxation. To give you guys a little bit reference of the size, so this is a queen bed from the hotel room, and this is how big it is. So it's really nice if it's for 1 person or 2 people. I think it would be super comfy. So lighting and background has changed once again because I want to let you guys know that there's actually a second package coming in, and I'm super excited because it's a second blanket, totally different style, and I'm super pumped. So it's actually going to the other resort tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow to show you what that looks like. Hello again, guys. As you can see, we have a different background because we have changed hotel rooms, and I got my new package from Amelie Home, and unfortunately I noticed I didn't record it. So at the beginning I showed you guys the package, which arrived kind of similar to the previous one. This one actually came in a smaller bag with a zip at the top, which is a little bit different from the other one. But now I will show you guys the actual blanket. So here it is. I think it is super cute. You can see definitely a different style from the previous one. It also comes with the adorable bow that I love and I will actually be keeping. And this is the blanket. It is super cute, super comfy and cozy. Definitely not as warm as the other one. It is still super soft, but it's a different fabric. I love the pattern that it has. It's very boho chic, so kind of if that's what your house or maybe your rooms are themed, this is an adorable addition. As you guys can see, is kind of a little bit of the pattern as much as I can show you from this angle. So as you can see, it is a cream based color. They have three other colors or 3 or 4 colors available online. Perfect for one person to snuggle. Oh my god, this would be perfect to take to the beach actually, for like a nighttime beach or sunset. I think that would be adorable and perfect because it's not too thick where it'll be super warm like the other one. This one is definitely more for the summer or springtime, but you can still kind of layer it up if you're wanting to do something warm. I want to showcase again, this is the room we just checked into, so we have bags around and it's definitely not the same size as the one I showed previously. It is bigger, so this is the actual pattern so you can see everything. Definitely perfect for one person, but you can also snuggle with a second person if you'd like. And then it has all these little details, which I think are super cute, as you can see. And then it has these stitchings from different colors. And I'll show you then the ones that are available on the website. They're kind of different. So I'm gonna have the white background. This is more of a cream colored. So I love it. First, I would like to apologize about how congested I sound. I am sick, but I wanted to show you guys how I used the products over the trip. So at the first night, I actually had to sleep outside with my husband, and it was so cold, so that came out super clutch. Our second hotel stay was at a cabin, a wilderness lodge resort, and it was adorable. And I had this nook that made me feel so inspired. So I was on my phone, scrolling through TikTok. I was also eating my fruits and just enjoying the scenery and talking to everybody that was coming into our room. Honestly, it was so great. You will see very soon that my aunt and my cousin reviewed it the exact same way I reviewed it. And I thought it was adorable that every time we would move hotels and I would unpack it, they would immediately come to get it from me because they loved it so much. What do you think? You have no voice.
Eso es que esto es un bear. Tú estás being embraced by a bear.
That's literally what I said. Literally what I said. That's how it feels. A couple days later, we moved to the Polynesian villas, which are the bungalows that are amazing. And my husband actually made himself a little teepee to take a nap because, as you can see, we have the windows and it's very bright outside. And then I used it in preparation for the fireworks. So we have a little pool to the left over there inside of the villa. So I went in and it was actually kind of cold with the breeze and the sunset. So I used it. My aunt then again used it in the sunset time because it was so nice and breezy outside. And then my sister used it to watch the fireworks, and you're gonna see my cousin using the other one. So honestly, they just moved around. I kind of just left them in the living room so anybody that wanted to use them could use them because clearly they were a hot commodity during the trip. After our 10-day trip to Orlando, Florida, we returned back to our home in Puerto Rico, and as you can see, it is very bright and sunny, and we currently have a heat wave, so it's very hot, but usually we have a lot of breeze. As you can see, it's very open, and this is our living room, so it is very gray, the whole area. We haven't painted the walls, and if we do end up buying it, we want to. But I decided to put the boho throw blanket outside. I thought it went very well and it kind of added a pop of color, as you can see. Like I said, I probably will be alternating the blankets in our room and also in the living room area. But for now, that's what I did. And our room, as you can see, it's more of a brown cream tone. So I decided to bring the brown throw blanket because I thought it was also a little bit of a pop of color because it's a different type of brown. And this is where we have the AC, so I definitely need a little bit more coverage. But this is my Amelie collaboration. I hope you guys enjoyed it and were able to see how the products worked in Orlando as well in Puerto Rico. As I said, I'm currently sick, so I've been doing a lot of working from home and taking online classes from my bedroom with the AC on. So I've been using the blanket and taking frequent naps in between everything I do. So I want to say thank you so much to Amelie Home for sending these products my way. Not only I am a fan, but as you can see, my family are all big fans of these products. So I'll definitely link down below the exact products we got with the colors as well as the website so you can check them out for yourself. I'm so grateful to be able to collaborate and work with them because I honestly really enjoy the products. So I recommend checking them out, checking out the different French styles that they have because as you can see, they have elegant, boho, and everything. So check them out and I will see you in the next video. Bye!